Babes, I hate scandals a lot. It's not good for anybody. I told you I will use that strategy later.
But you don't even know what I'm up to yet. Allow me to be done first. Listen, these people need to reap from their past as well.
This will unearth a lot. And it's going to go messier.
Nothing is going to go messier, Perry. I mean, men shouldn't make it look like having sex with a lady makes her rotten or something. Let this past knock on everyone's door.
Babes, I hate scandals a lot. You don't know what I'm talking about.
Of course I know what you're talking about.
Don't. It brings so much hate and enmity. It's unfathomable.
Can you listen to me? There is only one way to get yourself out of this mess.
Which is?
You don't have to care about what anybody says or thinks about you. You just have to do what needs to be done. Of course.
Sign the documents. When you finish signing, you give them to the secretary to scan and send to our client.
I told you I'm on break. I am not signing anything.
Jay, you mean you want us to lose a multi-million naira contract just because of a woman?
She is not just a woman. Let me marry her. She's my heart. I can leave your house for you. In fact, you can disown me, but let me marry her. It's very simple.
Jane, you want to marry a woman that already has a child for another man?
What did you say?
Heard me right. Oh, you mean she didn't tell you? Perry didn't tell you that she has a child for Chief Odo? Oh, you're surprised. Is that the kind of woman you want to marry? A woman with a terrible past?
I don't know. That can be true. Perry does not have a child.
You better believe it, Jim. She has a child for Chief Odo. Can't marry her.
Just as I wanted. This fire will blaze till the roof turns to ashes. I will not stop.
me.
Honey, what truth are you talking about? What is it? Tell me.
So you deceived me. I thought I knew you. I thought I found the love of my life. So you were a chameleon.
What are you talking about? I mean, where is this coming from? Why are you calling me names?
Because you know exactly what I'm talking about. So this is how you are.
What have I done?
Okay, you stop being dramatic because you know exactly what I'm talking about.
Then tell me, what is it?
You had a child for Chief Odo. Why didn't you tell me?
Excuse you?
Why did you hide it from me?
What? Who gave you such false information? That's not true. That's a fat lie.
My father was right after all. You lie a whole lot.
Ha!
You are nothing but a slut.
No!
I don't want to see you anywhere close to me.
Don't talk to me like that. Hey! Jean! Jean? Hey, please, wait, let me explain to you.
Don't touch me! You dare touch me!
Please, time to explain to you, Jean! Sonia has finished me. Oh! Oh! What is happening to me? What is happening to my relationship? What?
I'm enjoying this now. Let the fire burn. Cheers to payback. Cheers, my friend Perry.
I need your help now. How can I find that girl? I want to find her. I need to. Because I want my child.
Odo, why did you bring this matter here? Huh? Don't you know that my wife can hear about it? And if she hears, forgotten issues may crop up. Look, Odo, you need to learn how to handle this issue maturely. Why are you this all emotional about it?
We're talking about my son here. My blood. My first son, whom I've not set my eyes on. I need to find that girl and pay her off if possible.
And you think that she lives here, right? Eh? Look, I don't know where she lives, and I don't want to talk about her. Let me warn you, Odo. This should be the last time you will ever bring this issue to my house again. Do you understand me?
Where is your son? I want to talk to him myself. I cannot rest if I don't do the right thing.
And you think the right thing is for you to come to my house for investigation? Is this a police station? My house looks like an investigation room to you? Look, I don't know where my son is.
Williams, you need to help me. You know my condition. I will be happy if I can find my son.
Look, Odo, you are getting me angry. Look, I don't want to lose it. Enough of this. What is it?
They don't call it customer service for nothing, because you must service the customer. If you want a big
Where do you think you're going?
deposit,
Huh?
you have to bring a sweet benefit. Sweet benefit in business. You need customer service. Breast is for interest, nyash is for deposit, body for withdrawal or customer service. Auntie is a banker, working in the bank. Breast is for interest, nyash is for deposit.
Good evening, Mr. Odo.
Where is Jim? I want to see him now.
Is everything all right?
Everything is not all right. I want to see him and it's urgent.
Odo, don't get me angry. Okay? You know as well as I do that she doesn't live here. If you want to see her, by all means, go and look for her. You know where and how you can see her. Please, this madness will stop. What is it?
May I know what is going on here?
Tell your son to discontinue anything he's planning until I get my son.
Can I at least know what is going on? Can I know what is going on here?
It's nothing serious.
It's nothing serious. Williams, why do you think I do not need an explanation, Williams? Maybe you think I'm a dummy or something?
Woman, there is nothing to explain.
No. He's got a skeleton in his cupboard. Something is not right here. What is going on?
What's up, Jim? What are you doing here?
I just feel like running away where no one will see me. I feel terrible right now. I feel used. I feel betrayed. I hate to feel this way.
Come on, Jim. Come on, you're drinking too much, man.
Is it a crime to love? Why would Perry lie to me about her past? Why?
Look, Jim, I understand the whole thing. But we need to leave here before we appear in newspaper tomorrow with a different caption. Come on.
I'm not getting up from here.
Come on. You're very funny. You know I can't leave you here. Come on, let's go.
Where will I find this girl now? I must find her, no matter what it takes.
Sonia, you're so smart, super intelligent. You all have not seen anything yet. When I come out with my next episode, everywhere will burn to ashes. And when all of this is over, I, Sonia, will laugh last. Sonia.
Sonia! done? What is it? I told you never to use this strategy. You have made matters worse. What do I do now? You have ruined everything for me. Where do I even begin from?
Can you calm down and stop screaming like a little schoolgirl?
Are you mad to say that to me? What do you mean by that? You're not even feeling remorse for what you have done.
Did you just say remorse?
How dare you?
How dare you talk about remorse before me, Perry? When you made me lose a target of 5 million naira from Chief Williams and snatched him from me, did you ever remember in your miserable life that a day like this would come?
So this is what all this charade is all about? About Chief Williams?
Sonia, do not forgive me, Julius.
Hello, Chief. Beautiful Sonia. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good afternoon, sir.
This is my friend and my colleague as well. Her name is Perry. Perry.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hey! How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Hello, Chief. How you taking it easy? She's a special somebody.
Come on. That is why I'm holding her in a very special way. Eh? Are you jealous?
Come off it, Chief. I am not. Very pleased. Chief.
Come on, Sonia. I mean, you can't come to Daddy and still be complaining of hunger.
No.
Eh? Okay, wait. If you don't like this place, I can take you to a Chinese restaurant or any restaurant of your choice.
Chinese restaurant? Harry, did you hear that? I am ready. Let us go. I like their meal.
Why don't we leave it some other time? Besides, food is food, and theirs is very expensive.
Come on, Perry. I wouldn't want you to have pity on Chief. He has the money and he's ready to spend it. Okay?
Please tell her. Tell her that I am money. Anyway, Chinese restaurant is it. Let's go.
Now you're talking, Chief.
They don't call it customer service for nothing, because you must service the customer. If you want a big deposit,
Chief, you look like an old man from the outside, but in the inside, you're just like a 20 years old boy. Very strong. You are the bomb, Chief.
You can say that again. But you see, a man is as strong as a woman that he is beholding. You know, for a beautiful lady like you, there is no way I will not be a horse.
But to tell you the truth, Chief, if you were not a married man, I would have proposed to you myself.
Wow. Please, stop flattering me.
I am not flattering you, Chief. I'm telling you the truth.
Really?
Honestly.
It's all right. How much did you say is your target again?
Okay, Chief. It's 20 million naira.
Ordinary 20 million naira.
Yes, Chief. It's 20 million, and I have just one way to get to my target. But 10 million could go. But if I don't get any of these, I might lose my job. Or at the end of the day, I might not even get my salary. Is that bad?
yeah, she's for deposit, body for withdrawal, customer service, you must service your customer.
This is how terrible Perry can be.
It is customer service.
Such a terrible friend.
Customer service.
Perry.
You must service your customer.
We shall see who laughs last. Or better still, we shall see who cries last.
I am not going to give you 10 million, not me.
My Chief, please, I beg you, help me. Help me. I'm at your service anytime, any day.
I have not finished talking.
Okay, Chief.
I will give you 20 million.
What? Chief, thank you so much. What? If anytime you want me, morning, afternoon, night, evening, even in the midnight, I'm ready for you.
Really? You want to completely finish me
I will
again?
finish you. Thank you, Chief.
Well, anything for my baby.
Thank you.
As a matter of fact,
Okay.
I'm going to give you other clients. Yes, there is this particular one, Chief Odo.
Okay.
I'm sure he's going to open an account with you with 5 million.
Oh,
Yes.
Chief, what would I have done without you? You're such an amazing man. Thank you so much. You know what?
Yes.
Come have some sugar.
Let me rest, please.
Come on.
Let me rest.
Come on. You're a strong man.
Just tell me you want to finish me.
What is wrong with that? Let me give you some sugar.
I'm already completely finished.
It's okay if you insist.
Well, let me be going.
Auntie is a banker, walking in the bank. Breast is for interest. Now she's for deposit.
20 million naira. When all I asked Chief was 5 million.
You have to satisfy customer. Customer service, you must service your customer. If you want
Perry, I will kill you slowly. Let me die if I fail to do so. I will deal with you in such a way that suicide will be the only option you have left. Perry, I will make life a living hell for you. Perry, I will do all of this still smiling and pretending to be a friend, since that is the new game. I will make life so difficult for you. I, Sonia, will teach you a lesson you will never forget till the day you die. I will deal with you so much that even in death, you will not forget and forgive me. It's a promise. I will deal with you.
customer service, you must service your customer. If you want the business to move, it is customer service. Fine body, fine money. Customer service, you must service your customer. If you want to meet your target,
Good morning,
it is customer service.
How are you?
Customer service, you must service your customer.
This one, your face is like this. Are you okay?
Chief, I am not fine.
You are not fine.
Yes.
What's the problem?
I have just 1 week to meet up with my target. I don't want to lose my job, please. You know that if I don't meet up with it, I'll be fired. And I don't want that to happen.
So, what do you plan to do?
Chief, the last time I saw you, you promised to open an account with me.
Oh.
Making a deposit of 5 million naira. Honestly, that will go a long way. I'm begging you.
Well, I remember vividly that I promised you. But you see, I spent a lot this period. I invested a huge sum of money on my farm in new farm that I acquired, and right now I really don't have much to invest in your bank, so I'm sorry.
Can I come back on Thursday?
I equally invested a lot in my oil business, and the return on investment is not something that I expect so soon. So you see, I really don't have much on me anymore. I'm sorry.
I'm begging you, please, for the sake of everything that you hold sacred, for the sake of my sick mother, I am begging you to assist me. I don't want to lose my job. I don't want to...
Look, young lady, as you can see, I'm a very busy person. I don't want us to discuss this issue any further. So if you don't mind, please, excuse me.
Chief, please.
They don't call it customer service for nothing, because you must service the customer. If you want a big deposit, you have to bring a sweet benefit.
Please, will you excuse me? I'm busy.
You need customer service. Breast is for interest, nyash is for deposit, body for withdrawal. Customer service. Auntie is a banker, working in the bank. Breast is for interest, nyash is for deposit, body for withdrawal. Customer service. Customer service, you must service your customer. If you want the business to move, it is customer service. You have to satisfy customer. Customer service, you must service your customer. If you want to meet your target.
Already, but I'm right in front of there right now. I'll call you when I come out, please. It's very urgent.
If you have to kiss them, they want to love them.
What? Am I dreaming or what? Oh, I see. She's now the new girl. Her needs are now being taken care of. Why all I hear is stories upon stories. Chief.
If you want to meet your target, it is customer service. Account officer service the customer.
Harry, come on in.
Good morning, sir.
You see, I was just about calling your number.
Sir, I actually woke up with a test from my manager. You know what that means?
Speak no more. Please sit down. I said sit down and make yourself comfortable.
Okay, sir.
So, who is your manager to get you worked up this early morning? It's alright. You will meet your target, okay? As a matter of fact, you will set more targets.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes. I'm a man of my words, and I keep them.
Thank you so much, sir.
Let me fill forms.
Oh, thank you, sir. You won't regret this.
They don't call it customer service for nothing, because you must service the customer.
So, how much did you say? 15 million?
No, sir. You actually said 20 million.
Oh, 20.
Yes, sir.
No problem.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes.
Breast is for interest, nyash is for deposit, body for withdrawal. Customer service. Auntie is a banker, working in the bank. Breast is for interest, nyash is for deposit, body for withdrawal. Customer service. Customer service, you must service your customer. If you want the business to move, it is customer service. You have to satisfy customer. Customer service, you must service your customer. If you want to meet your target, it is customer service. It is important in banking, you are in business to make customer happy, so that they will come again. If you have to kiss them. If they want to love them, money for hand, they back for ground. That is the game. In business, you need customer service. Breast is for interest, nyash is for deposit, body for withdrawal. Customer service. Auntie is a banker, working in the bank. Breast is for interest, nyash is for deposit, body for withdrawal. Customer service. Customer service, you must service your customer. If you want the business to move, it is customer service. Biggie bum bum, biggie deposit, customer service, you must service your customer. If you want to meet your target, it is customer service. Account officer service the customer. Customer service, you must service your customer. If you want the business to move, it is customer service. Find money, find money.
Girl, you know, today has been a good day. Guess what? Yes! Okay, I'll tell you. I met this man, good looking man, and then we got talking. At the end of the day, he opened a savings account of 20 million naira with me! Girl! I am super excited. I am done panicking. I am done receiving insults from that ugly manager of ours. Like literally, I am done! Woo! I'm super excited. What is it? You look withdrawn. Is there a problem? Hey, talk to me. What is the problem?
Chief used me and dumped me.
Chief? Who in God's name is Chief? Wait, is it that old man we met the other day at the bar?
Yes.
God, you slept with him? Come on, darling, you shouldn't have. I mean, I can't even imagine myself under the same sheet with that man. Oh, sorry about that. How did it happen?
We met in his hotel last week.
Okay.
So he asked that I come back today. On getting there, he said he can no longer assist me because he invested in his oil business. I don't know. What am I supposed to do now?
Sorry about what happened. We just have to calm down, okay?
Calm down?
Yeah, keep it down.
How can you ask me to calm down when you know I have just 1 week? 1 week to raise 5 million naira. Where am I going to get that from?
What would you have me say? You should go up? I'm your friend and I should give you the best advice, which is to calm down. Calm down and work towards it. I'm sure by God's grace you'll get the money. I mean, even what happened today is like a miracle to me. I never expected it. Okay? So keep it down, darling.
I am scared. I don't know what to do.
Why are you scared?
I don't know.
About the money?
Of course.
Just try. Work harder. God will do it, okay? It's fine. Please don't be like that.
Hello, Chima. Yes. What? Mama is what? Okay. Yes, no problems. I'll read you. Alright.
What is wrong with your mother?
My mother is sick.
So sorry. So sorry, darling. I know, listen, I know this is really a tough time for you. The target, your mom's sickness, but please.
I'm losing it.
You don't have to. You don't have to. Just keep it down. Sorry. It's okay.
So that you can take your drugs, eh? What is wrong? I want to go to the hospital. Mama, I know you want to go to the hospital, but I don't have money to take you to the hospital. Please, you just have to eat your food so that... Mama, the golden nipple, just eat, take. Mama, if you don't take your food, how will the drugs work now? Hi, Mama, just take one spoon. See, Mama has refused to take her food, though.
Mama.
Madam. Mama. Take you to the hospital.
Mama, I'll take you to the hospital, but eat your food first.
But you couldn't need now. Okay. Mama. Take water first.
Mama, please. Mama, eat. I will take you to the hospital, I promise.
So many Gana music. Miri. Hi. Miri, what?
Anywhere or someone who can loan me money. Yes, money, like I'll pay back later.
Hi. Hi. You didn't come back with money.
Answer my question first. Do you know anybody? Mama needs to be taken to the hospital.
No problem, no problem. I don't know. I don't know anywhere you can borrow money from. I don't know. What does it think, eh? But you should have come with money now. Eh? I saw you and I was happy.
What are we going to do?
That's what I'm still thinking.
I don't want anything to happen to Mama.
Baby girl. Oh my God. What happened? I didn't see you today at the office. Or you left quite early? What's going on? You're crying. What's the problem? No, talk to me. What is it? What is wrong with your mother?
I lost my job.
You lost good job. For what? What happened? I wasn't even aware of it. No one told me anything. Is it because of the target? Oh, so sorry, my darling.
I don't know what to do.
Oh, these people are so mean. How callous of them. I mean, is that enough reason for you to have been relieved of your job? I'm sorry.
What am I going to do?
God is not asleep.
I'm confused.
Why would these people do this now? Why would they do this at this time? At this critical time? Eh? How mean? Sorry, dear. Whoa! I've made it. I'm flying!
You're flying?
Yes, darling.
To where?
To London. I will be traveling to London.
Hold on. I just want to understand you right.
Okay.
Who is taking you?
Our bank. They're sending myself and 3 other people to London for studies. Girl, I am so excited. Woo!
Yeah.
London Bridge is falling down.
It should be.
Yes, darling, I'm so happy. Of course, I worked for it. I earned it.
Yeah, you did. Congratulations.
Thank you. You know, I've never traveled all my life. It's just been this normal travel. But this time around, London. It's a big deal.
And to make matters worse, you were sent to Switzerland and London while I got fired. All thanks to you, I am a marketer in a common microfinance bank.
Sonia, if you haven't lost your sanity, I am sure you would remember that you categorically told me that you have nothing, absolutely nothing to do with Chief Williams. So why are you so bitter? Why?
What did you just say?
You aren't daft, are you?
You were the daft and the mean one. Exactly you. You came back from London. You got promoted. You never even thought it wise to help me. I almost lose my mother. I lost everything. Did you ever thought it wise to offer me a job in your bank? No, you did not. And now, you want to marry Chief William's son?
This is really terrible. This is a complete act of witchcraft. I call you my friend. And you did this to me?
Listen, like I said, Sonia, do not forgive betrayals. It's payback time. You deal with it.
Hey, no. Like, no. No. This is not happening. Someone should just wake me up from this dream because it's as if I'm... Oh, no. This is not happening. Oh, this girl is a witch. No. She told me she has nothing with the man. No.
Where are you? You just told me you were very close to the place and this is the second time I'm coming out. But I know they see you now. Where are you? Come out now. I'm tired of standing in. I'll go inside though. What's all this? Do may you come. I not get time again. I've been here. I get some things I'm supposed to do inside. I beg, come, man. Yeah?
I'm so sorry, please. I'm sorry.
Sorry. How are you?
I'm fine. Nice shirt.
Oh. It's Nigerian made. Yummy casual.
Oh,
So,
I see.
you mind if I have your digits?
I would rather have your card.
My card. That's a nice bag.
Thank you.
Card.
Of course I will.
Why so much grudge? Why?
Hello, beautiful lady. Why are you crying? I mean, did anyone hurt you?
Leave me alone. Leave me be. Let me alone. Leave me. Don't talk to me. Just leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Can we sort it out?
Leave me alone. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
The only thing on my mind right now is to go back to UK and never come back.
That's unfair. Jim, I want to ask you a question, and I want you to be honest with me. Do you love her like before? Do you?
I still love her.
If you love her, you have to do something. I mean, forget about her past and love her like never before.
The only way to prove to my father that I love Perry is to disobey him and marry her. Like at this point, I don't care anymore.
Look, Jim, I'm with you on this one. In fact, you can take her to UK and wear her over there. I'm strongly beside you.
So, can you tell me what the problem is?
I don't want to talk about it.
Perry, I will not leave here until you tell me what got into that terrible mood. Talk to me.
I don't care where she is, where she's been, what she's done. I don't care who she
Forgive me. Your past can never tear us apart. still love you. Yeah.
I care for her. She's the one that I love, that I need in my life. She's so lovely and sweet. I'm complete.
Oh no.
Honey, listen, it's not what you think. Honey!
Who is he? Your boyfriend? Talk to me.
Stop it! Stop it!
It's okay. Just calm down. We'll sort it.
Let go! Come to me!
Calm down. We're gonna sort it out. Okay, calm down. We'll sort it out.
Jay. We need to talk. Sign the documents so that we can secure the contract. You see, this contract is a very big one. It's not something we should miss. Look, son, there comes a time in a man's life when he forgets about worldly pleasures and focuses on building and securing his future. It baffles me that you went haywire because of a girl with a rotten past. Why?
I'm not ready for this, please.
Look, son, our company is a big one. A very big one at that. You need to queue behind the legacy we've built over the years so that you can move the company to the next level. And that is the level of making it a world-class company. That way, you don't need any introduction before our investors. Look, son, we need this contract. Please.
Can you stop talking to me about legacy? Being faithful to your wife, it's legacy. Not taking advantage of a poor, helpless girl before helping her reach her target is legacy. The only legacy you care about is money.
Stop, son. Just stop. You can't possibly be talking to me in such a disrespectful manner.
I am not done talking, Father. What stopped you from helping Perry when she came to you to help her meet her target? Why didn't you help her? Without having sex with her?
Look, just stop this minute. Just shut up. Shut up.
You cheated on Mom. Not once, not twice. And you're here talking to me about legacy. Bravo, Daddy Legacy. Bravo!
Williams? I regret ever setting my eyes on you. My instinct has never failed me. It was right after all. I spit on that trust I ever had on you. grow up. Because it's in the past now. You have to bury me before you bring them into this house. Shame! Shame on you! You disgust me! Shame! Shame!
You see what you have caused? You see what your careless thoughts have caused?
Go and sort it out with your legacy.
Go and jubilate, idiots.
Who is that? Don't you dare come close to me. 1 inch? Don't you dare. 1 step, I will do it.
Please, calm down, please. Let me explain. I'm ready to tell you everything, please. Drop that thing.
I've been a fool all this while. I've been a fool to you all this while. I've been a faithful wife to an unfaithful husband, to an unfaithful man. You're such an ungrateful man.
Honey, please, calm down. I want to explain. I want to confess. I will tell you everything. Just give me the chance to explain. You see, please, I'm not a bad husband though. I will explain, please. I am sorry.
Williams, don't you ever open your mouth to say that to me. Because you are not sorry. Even if you are, is he going to clean up this filth? This mess you created with sorry cleaning, so what will sorry do? Does sorry heal sicknesses? Will he heal my heart? Will he heal the pain I am going through right now? Will sorry change anything?
I'm sorry.
Take it back.
I mean it. I'm sorry.
You are not. If you were, you wouldn't have done everything you did. Don't you dare come close to me. Else I would do something stupid. Don't you dare. Don't you just dare.
It's me.
Who are you? You're filthy, you're dirty. You are nothing. Williams, you are nothing.
Jane, you went too far. You went too far. Can you imagine what your lack of self-restraint and careless talks can cause to your mother's health? Did you ever think about that? Son, sign the documents.
I will not append my signature on this document. Not after all you did to Perry and I.
Jim, I don't want to repeat myself again. I'm telling you for the last time, sign those documents.
I see you think I'm joking, right?
Don't you ever imagine, think about walking out on me. Don't.
Dad, I'm vexed. I would advise you don't push further.
really sorry. I want to confess. I did it just once. I swear I will never try it again. It will never happen again. Please.
Williams, you got me infected. Yet you denied it. You were in this house. I was moving from hospital to the other, looking for a solution. You didn't in any way show any form of remorse or care. You were so adamant, you were so on your own, you didn't care about it, yet you knew what I was going through.
I feel really terrible right now. Sorry.
Who is the girl? The secretary?
Honey, please. Let's not talk about the girl.
I want to know who the girl is.
Let's not talk about the girl. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. Your mom and I have decided to fix the issues we are having tonight. We want you to please calm down so that we can talk. Right? But before then, we want you to sign these documents because the contract is very important for this family.
Jim, please, calm down. I beg you, calm down. I was the person that was hurt. But I've let go so that peace can reign again in our home. I just want us to let go. I'm tired of the crisis. Aren't you tired? Have we been like this before? Let's go. Do anything that can bring us back together again as a family. Sign this document.